Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how low-code app development is transforming manufacturing. In the manufacturing industry, time is a precious commodity. Let us discuss the benefits of low-code development in manufacturing. Number one, it provides manufacturers a major opportunity to create a more agile and adaptable workforce. Number two, unify data across siloed systems. Number three, automate manual processes. Number four, seamlessly connect teams and solutions. Now let us look at three examples of manufacturing low code in action. Number one, publishing release management. On the factory floor, complex machinery requires detailed user manuals to ensure safe and correct use. With low code, manufacturers can quickly build apps that manage release cycles for any or all publishing changes to manuals. Number two, automated shift information turnover. Low code enables manufacturers to create apps that automate shift information turnover. Providing digital forms helps employees accurately sign in and sign out at the beginning and end of their shifts. Number three, entry lifecycle management. Safety and security are paramount to any manufacturing business. Using low code, manufacturers can build apps to optimize entry lifecycle management. That's all for now. We will come up with some more knowledge day by day.